All right, go ahead and pop your hood. The fuse box for the SMG pump is under that whole panel. So let's go ahead and remove that panel. We have replacement relays, and we're going to switch the relays. See if the SMG pump will kick on. So remove this rubber trim. Just keep sliding it all the way off. Side to side. Remove this box. So you have to move this lever right here. Over here, this is a 13mm. And it's just a plastic bolt that you rotate 90 degrees. This lift up, unplug these two sensors. So with this one, you can just rotate this. So it sits in there like that. Rotate it and lift it up. So we don't have to remove it off the tab. There. So press this tab and then you slide it off this little hood sensor. So these little plastic tabs come up. So this cover is off, side to side as well. Do the same to the other side. Let's slide this over. Look at that. This one doesn't have the two sensors, so you just lift this up. This little plastic cover, you go ahead and lift that up as well. Like that. Okay, so now we need to take off this whole panel. This panel, all the way across, and there's a whole bunch of little bolts. So you need to slide this. To slide this, you lift up this tab right here, lift this up, and that slides over. And then this lifts up. So it has this little plastic groove right here that holds it in place with this. There's a bolt right here. Back here. So another bolt right here. So we have 5 of these plastic bolts total. So 1 right there, 2, 3 near the firewall, and the same on this side. 4 and 5. And if you look at this, mine's missing. I've never had it. When I purchased the car, that was missing already. But I believe there's another bolt right there. Same on the other side as well. But mine never had it. But these lift up now. So you lift it up and then you slide it that way. There you go. This is out. And this, I believe there's a bolt right there normally too. Mine doesn't have it. I never bothered to try to find a replacement for it. So this lifts up. Like that. And then you slide it opposite direction that way. Because you need to clear it over this bar. There you go. Okay, so that's the box we were looking for right there. Is the SMG relays located in there. Let's go ahead and pop our trunk. Grab this. So there's battery power right now. Sorry for the mess in the trunk. Alright, you grab this rag right here in this little corner, this little notch. Lift it up. And you see this, lift this up. And there's our battery. So what I like to do is I just disconnect the negative. So there's even tools right here. go ahead and loosen this. So this is the negative power. Alright, once that's loosened, you can wiggle this and slide it off. One fluid motion. Alright, now the vehicle is disconnected completely. Alright. So I always like to disconnect the battery anytime I'm working on anything electrical. Right now we're changing out the SMG pump relay. Okay, 5mm hex. So you don't need a Torx for this. And I'm gonna use my DeWalt power ratchet, make it a little easier. We don't want anything to fall. One is missing over here. It looks like this was kind of in the way and somebody got lazy and just didn't put it back in. So I'll have to find all the screws. Alright, and this cover will lift up now. So 5 screws usually holding it. Mine had 4. Lift this up. So SMG relay is that one right there. This one. Let's see if this fuse is good. .40 amp fuse. Yeah, it still works good. It's not blown. So there's other pliers you can use, but I'm just going to use these needle nose. They're angled, so it's a little easier to reach back into this firewall. Alright, so I'm going to grab this. Pull it straight up. Alright, so we want the new one, same rotation as this. Let me compare my new one. So I got a 2-pack. I'll add the link down below. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. Make sure it's angled the same way. Change the design so it looks a little different, but it's same part number. Alright, take this, press that same angle as earlier, and just push this down into the slot. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna plug in our battery and see if that makes any difference with the SMG priming. Battery disconnected. If you close the trunk, it won't pop open, so grab your key. Press this, and under there's a little key slot. Put your key in. And then turn it right, it releases.